Like we've already got a little rain moving into the area this morning.
It's been coming in from the south, and it's only going to continue to be more widespread and more intense as we go throughout the day. It's going to come in waves today and tomorrow. In total, we look to pick up on 2 to 4 inches, and that's why we're concerned with flooding, on top of the fact that this event is coming just shortly after Sunday's record rainfall. Sunday, we had numerous reports of flooding and creeks and rivers that were rising. We still have several streams that are just below action stage, so it is not going to take very much for them to quickly start to rise again as this rain continues to push through. We are under a flood watch for the majority of the viewing area. Those excluded are southern Kentucky counties and towards the north and west. Now, being under a flood watch does not mean flooding is guaranteed, but it means it's possible, and why we need to watch it so closely today. As far as our travel concerns go, I've broken it down for morning, afternoon, and evening to get a better idea of what you can expect on the roads. Rain showers mainly south to start off today, but they're already starting to push north of I-40, becoming more widespread around lunchtime. That heavy rain arrives by late tonight. Satellite and radar has that moderate rain starting to push in again for areas west of I-65 over the last hour to hour and a half. They've had these waves of moderate rain moving through, so roads are pretty damp in this area. Looking just a little bit further over towards the east, starting to see more of that moderate rain pushing into Williamson County, and it's on its way for folks in Nashville and over into Murfreesboro. Towards the plateau, we've got a spread of some light rain from McMinnville down towards Altamont, also looking up towards Sparta and Crossville. Rain starting to inch its way northward. Looking ahead towards the afternoon, by about 2:30, I'm expecting heavier rainfall to start to work its way in. Notice these deeper shades of oranges and reds. Where it's going to be coming down just a little bit harder, you'll notice towards the south and east, and that's why we're expecting the rain totals to be highest there, especially near the Tennessee and Alabama state line. By Friday, it becomes a bit more scattered, a bit more light in nature, not quite as heavy during the day tomorrow, but we're not done with it just yet, as soaking rain still looks possible up until about Saturday morning, when we will finally start to dry out for the weekend. Now, why we're under a Storm 5 alert is because of this right here. Notice this red bullseye for areas south and west, where we could pick up on 3 to 4 inches of rainfall. Today 54, by tonight 51, with rain still coming down, warming up to the upper 50s on Friday. And as we get into the weekend, temperatures will be much cooler. 42 Saturday, dry by Sunday, partly cloudy, and around 50. Hey, I don't have much sunshine in the forecast today, but our weather artist does. This is McKenna Guy from Carroll Oakland Elementary, drawing us a very nice picture this morning. We'll be right back.